Hello, this is Jo from Maths Tutor Me. Today we're doing a topic called integers and we're going to look at integers on a number line today. So first of all, in the box here, let's talk about what an integer is. So an integer is the name given to whole numbers that are positive, negative, or zero. Okay, so if it's a positive number or a negative number or zero, then it is an integer. So in the examples, we have, first of all, here we have some thermometers. So it says write the temperature shown on each thermometer. Okay, so first of all, we have to have a look at the scale. So we have 10 degrees, 20 degrees, 30 degrees. So in between here, if I count, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So each one of those little lines there is 1 degree. So this line here, this tells me how warm it is, what the temperature is, and that is pointing to this little line here. So if this is 20 degrees, 21, 22 would be that second little line. So that would be 22 degrees Celsius. Okay, so looking at the second thermometer, we have got a 0 here, and now we're going down here to negative 10. We have positive 10 up above, we've gone down to negative 10. So that means, again, there's 10 spaces in here, so each one of these is 1 degree, but we have to count downwards from 0. So that would be -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. So that would be -7 degrees. And I presume that these are in Celsius, so -7 degrees. Okay, question 2, evaluate. If we have -2, if you have a negative sign and a negative sign together, you will get a positive as your solution. So -2 is going to actually make a positive 2. Okay? If I have a minus and a plus, so it could be minus then plus or plus then minus, either one of those means that your answer will be negative. So minus and plus together means that that is equal to a -7. Okay, so it's just combining the two signs to make one. So two negatives make a positive and a negative together in any order makes a negative. And obviously we know that two positive signs would make a positive. So in summary, if the signs are the same, we get a plus. If the signs are different, we get a negative. All right, so question 3. Draw a vertical line to represent a thermometer. Carefully mark a scale from -10 degrees Celsius to 10 degrees Celsius. Draw an arrow to point to each of the following. Okay, now when I made this sheet, I didn't actually make this space here quite big enough. So I'm going to put it over here just so I have enough room. So I'm going to make my vertical line 10 centimeters long. If I go to the middle, that's going to be at 0. Okay, and I'm going to put a little line at every half a centimeter. So that'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And going down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So this one's going to be a positive 10 degrees Celsius up here, and this will be a negative 10 degrees Celsius up here. You could write each number along there, but that will make our diagram quite crowded. We're just going to write on the ones that we want. So we would like to draw on our diagram -8 degrees Celsius. So starting at 0, we want to go negative, so we want to go down. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8. So we're going to draw a big arrow to that one because that's what it asks us to do. It says draw an arrow to -8 degrees Celsius. Okay, for 5, that's a positive, so we're going to go up from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 degrees Celsius. 0 is right here in the middle, so put an arrow in there, 0 degrees Celsius. Minus 3. 1, 2, 3, going down the negative direction, minus 3 degrees Celsius. Okay, so that's a vertical line, okay, to represent a thermometer. It's very similar to this thermometer here. In question 4, it says to draw a horizontal number scale from -5 to 5 and mark the numbers. Okay, so horizontal is this direction. This time we want to go from -5 to 5. So I can still draw my line 10 centimeters long, and that will mean that each centimeter can be one number. So the 5 in the middle is going to be my 0 point. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Okay. Marking these numbers on there. So -1, so from 0 going negative, that one there will be -1. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 in the positive direction is here. And -3 is going this direction. 1, 2, 3, oops, -3. Okay, so that is our number line and marking some integers on our number line. So that's the end of our content for the lesson today. Time for you to have a practice. So pause the video, give these questions a go, and then restart to see if you got all the answers right. So for question 1, write the temperature shown on the thermometer below. So this one we have -10, -20, -30. So counting down further from -20, -21, -22, -23. Okay, we'll presume they're degrees Celsius. Okay, we want to, in question 2, turn 2 signs into 1. So a minus and a minus makes a positive 4. A plus and a minus makes a -6. And 2 minuses make a +12. Question 3, draw a horizontal scale from -8 to 8 and mark and label each of the following integers. So how about we draw an 8 centimeter line. Okay, you have to always make sure that your spaces are equally sized. So if I go to halfway there, 4 in the middle will be 0. And I'm going to do ½ centimeters for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now that I have my scale set up, let's label these numbers on there. So 3, from 0, +3 is 1, 2, 3, right there. -7, so it's going negative direction, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 0 is, of course, here, right in the middle. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And -1, so it's just going 1 to the left of the 0, -1. Okay, that's it for our lesson today on integers and the number line. Keep practicing and I'll see you next time. Bye.